I'm Vismay.
And I'm Arjun.
A while back, our dad got us a neat little toy called Mindstorms, and it's a Lego product. And a robot that we created out of Mindstorms, his name is Michael. Say hello, John. And Michael is a Alpha Rex, which is a Rex. He's got one big brain right here that covers a whole bunch of stuff. It's called an NXT. There are also some wires going through right here, and they send messages, and they go into different sensors, like these ultrasonic sensors, measure distance. This color sensor, you just gotta program it, and it can sense color. And here you got two servo motors for walking. Here you have another one so you can move the arms while you're walking. And I think I covered everything. Do you believe so?
Well, I see some touch sensors here, and they just show, like once it walks, sometimes it just hits this, and it just shows if it hits something or not.
Okay. And here too, they use these for seeing how many steps they take. And if you notice that the legs are crooked this way, it's tilted, it's because when it walks like this, so it changes sides. Okay, and you can program it and make little neat stuff with it, a bunch of programs. You can also add sound effects. You can also add sound effects with it. And we made this program. We want you to see it. He doesn't like people coming close. I'm going to make him go back. What do you mean? He's trying to turn away from me.
And this guy here only likes red M&Ms. I'm going to give one and see what he says.
There's our program.